FARO Visual Inspect 2020 Mobile App Model Media Manager. Media files are stored in 4 folders depending on the purpose. Media Files Annotations, Media Files AR, 3D Screenshots, and Edited Media Files. Add an annotation by tapping the annotation command, then the plus symbol. Tap the location to place the annotation. Enter and edit the annotation text. Add a snapshot if desired by tapping the photo command, which turns on the camera. Line up your shot and tap the capture command. Tap Use Photo, then Save. Tap the Media Manager command. Tap the Media Files Annotation folder to open it. Tap the file and it opens. Tap Done to close the image. Tap Back to return to the model view. Tap AR Video to capture the model reality overlay. Move the iPad over the targets and the camera will snap to the targets. Tap Record and when finished, tap Stop. The media file overlays the model. Tap it to open the menu. Tap AR Video to open and review the file. Tap Stop to close it. Navigate to the Model Media Manager and find the new media file in the Media Files AR folder. 3D screenshots are those taken from any angle. Manipulate your view to the desired position and tap the 3D screenshot command. This is stored in the Model Media Manager's 3D Screenshots folder. The final state is after you edit your images. Tap the Edit command, then tap the image to edit. Text, arrows, shapes, and freestyle edits are available. The image in 3D Screenshots is unchanged. Tap Back and tap Edited Media Files to view the edited image. Back out to the model. Media can be inserted on the model by tapping the Annotation command. Tap the plus command. The options include taking a snapshot, inserting a photo, or opening the Model Media Manager. Select the desired file from the appropriate folder. Tap Save. Now the media is displayed as an annotation on the model. Any media files can be exported by navigating to the desired folder and tapping the Send command. Tap the file to select it or tap Select All. Tap Done, which gives you the option to send file or send file to other app. Navigate to the desired folder and tap Save.